Hey everybody, my name is Marcus Stone, and in this video I will show you a simple way how you can add new users and authors to your WordPress site. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is just click here on users and add a new user. And when you got it, you just choose the username. Then you just write here the email. When you have it, just add a name. And you can add a website if you don't need to. And then you got like password here, you can show it. And then like send the user notification. Send a new user an email about their account. You want to click it. And now you just need to choose a role between the author, between the subscriber or editor or administrator. The administrator is the highest. The subscriber is just watch it, and editor can edit posts and pages. And author can also write. So this is how we do it. Thank you very much. Have a great day and see ya. Goodbye.